Happy Wednesday, everybody. It is June 25th, 9:33 EST. Let's recap what's playing out with the price. All the levels placed on S&P since months ago. This is the most powerful bearish structure we had seen on S&P in months. Oh, as it happens to be, S&P reached the end of the minor trend decision point 1 and seeing buyers picking up this theme. This is what's playing out currently on S&P daily. So, in order for me not to miss a bullish trade, as I already see very powerful buying pressure, if you would review all of my blog posts in the last few months, you would see extremely carefully that this level had been highlighted for months. And today, June 25th, very powerful bearish wave is finding a support. And guess what played out yesterday after the trading room closed? In the trading room, I said, if you know alpha wave trader rules, buckle up. And rules played out marvelously, giving you very powerful short opportunities. This is a short trend not to be ignored. But as we discussed in Alpha Wave Traders Club, I expected a pullback. It remains to be seen if this pullback will be very powerful and if it will transform to the hourly chart. Before I go to the live trading, let's take a look what played out on oil. This is when we closed out the trading room on oil. As I spelled out, be careful, do not acquire long. Reversal zone is here and it is not to be ignored. This is the reason why short trend is taking a major pause, because the end of the minor trend, just like on S&P, daily is reached. So in the meantime, let's migrate to the smaller time frames, and it is very important not to miss the formations. So as our marvelous trade on S&P is sitting and collapsing from reversal zone as we knew it would, and we're protecting ourselves with stop or break even because we know that the same formula applies. The reversal zone, do not ever get tempted to acquire a position at this level. By the time your trade comes to this level, you should be in significant profit. It's that simple. It don't matter if it's reversal zone hourly, if it's reversal zone 5, or if it's reversal zone on S&P. Trying to find my weekly chart. Completely expected. S&P potentially staging inception of the bearish chart on weekly. The next few days are critical. All the levels drawn many months ago, and if S&P breaks through 91150, sellers are here with vengeance. Buckle up. And that's how price behaves. And it don't matter if it's 5 range, and it don't matter if it's hourly, weekly, or Forex, ETFs, whatever in the world that is. It is all the same beautiful puzzle. And that's what I will be posting on Fibonacci forum. Larger time frames, hourly, daily, weekly, S&P, oil, and I'll just go with the flow. We'll see where it takes us, as price never ceased to amaze me. I am trailing very, very carefully, because I know that sellers will pick up with vengeance. My trail 1942.75. The fight at reversal zone continues, reminding you how essential it is to respect this level. And never ever ever get tempted to acquire a position at this level. So while we're monitoring extremely careful our beautiful trade on S&P, where we are 4 points later, if my price will finally succeed and blast through reversal zone, we got the inception of the trend on 5 range. But let's recap what we are seeing on oil currently. Oil is at the end of the minor trend. How marvelous is it? It's 35 minutes before the news. What do we know about reversal zone? We know that we never ever ever want to acquire position into this level. At this moment, I'm monitoring if oil will stage a powerful reversal. This is the end of the minor trend that we respect highly. This is a level I never short into. If trend is minor, this is the end. It is the most powerful level in the market structure, as we always have minor trend, we not always have major trend. So if you shorted oil, you're in significant profit. Shorting at these levels into this level is not prudent. Oil will do two things: bullish correction or bullish reversal. I'm monitoring oil very carefully. And if oil will break this level, it will collapse lower down, reminding you to respect reversal zone highly. And if we would take a look on smaller time frame on oil, as it happens to be, oil is finding buyers, reminding you know where the end of the minor trend is and know what not to enter into. Same formula applies to everything. And if you would take a look on oil weekly, you would see we're seeing very powerful structure. If decision point 2, 104.80 is broken, it's an inception of the bearish trend. And guess what happened on weekly? Oil found sellers not far off from reversal zone. Exact same place where S&P 5 range is struggling at, reminding you to respect this level highly and to monitor for two things: opposite trend correction or opposite trend reversal. That's simple. And if my trade will finally succeed after battling against this area for the last 15 minutes, I know I protected my trade by placing my trail right outside of reversal zone. And if my trail will succeed after endless bearish corrections, we got the inception of the bullish trend that transforming into my hourly chart. Make sense? That's simple. And that's how we trade, only based on Fibonacci levels. What you're witnessing here is a formula I developed that applies to everything. And if you play by the rules, and if you exercise patience and discipline, you respect these levels highly. The fight is on. Will S&P succeed? It's showing very big potential. Again, if price will finally blast through after respecting this level highly, I will go into the wave expansion. Simple. But I know what reversal zone means. And I respect it highly. And I would never acquire position in this level. S&P reminded everybody yesterday what happens if you buy at these levels. The moment price comes to reversal zone 1, knowledgeable trader stays out completely. Because two things happen: opposite trend correction or opposite trend reversal. After an hour of correction, after the close of the trading room, sellers collapsed. Obey the rules and never acquire position at these levels, and price spelling out all these levels very far in advance. And that's a beauty. I expect to be out of this trade at any moment. So here we are out of this trade. My trade reached 1, 2, 3, 4 targets, as we respect each and every level. I am monitoring for short, but there is absolutely no short yet. 4 points. Happy Wednesday.